Hi guys, in front of me is Honor View 20 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, and it's time to select wallpaper. Now choose the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper. It can be something from your gallery, one from recommended wallpapers, my wallpapers album, or more wallpapers here. You can download some more wallpapers from the online store. Let me choose one from recommended, for example this one. And now you can take a look how it looks on both home, okay, just on home screen. Now you can blur it if you want to and make it scrollable. Once it is set however you like, just click on confirmation mark. And now decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. Let me set it on home screen only, and that's it. Here it is. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.